Hello, student. Chapter 17 Major Religions. Now, start. At first, pick the correct option. Who among the following was not a Sufi संत? इसमें से जो कौन है जो सूफी संत नहीं थे? तो कबीर. Then, question number 2. In which religion pilgrimage to Hajj is practiced? तो Islam. The Bhakti movement originate in South India. Bhakti San did not oppose communal harmony. Communal harmony. Who construct the Akal Takht near the Golden Temple? अकाल तख्त किसने बनाया? तो गुरु हरगोविंद सिंह. देन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. जो रेड से लिखा हुआ है वो आपका ब्लैंक पार्ट है. ठीक है. द फाउंडर ऑफ इस्लाम मोहम्मद वॉज बॉर्न इन मक्का इन 570 CE. सिखिज्म इज बेस्ड ऑन गुरु शिष्य ट्रेडिशन. सिखिज्म किसके ऊपर बेस्ड था? तो गुरु शिष्य ट्रेडिशन के ऊपर बेस्ड था. गुरुद्वारा हरमिंदर साहिब इज सिचुएटेड इन अमृतसर. Ramananda took idea of bhakti to the north. Alwar worship Vishnu and Nayanar worship शिवा. ये जो है अलवार और नैनार. ठीक है. देन मैच द फॉलोइंग. आदि ग्रंथ तो है सिखिज्म से रिलेटेड. भक्ति मूवमेंट किससे रिलेटेड है? तो भक्ति मूवमेंट जो है वो मेडिवल पीरियड. सॉरी, मिल गया. शेख सलीम चिश्ती. तो शेख सलीम चिश्ती किस चीज़ से रिलेटेड है? तो सूफीज्म से रिलेटेड है. कबीर हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी. कबीर जो है वो हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी से. और तो कुरान लास्ट बच गया. तो लास्ट तो आप जानते ही हो, इस्लाम. ठीक है. देन आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन द ब्रीफ. हाउ डिड द सिटी ऑफ अमृतसर टेक इट्स नेम? हु कंस्ट्रक्ट गुरुद्वारा हरमिंदर साहिब? तो गुरु रामदास डग द हॉली टैंक नाउ एज अमृतसर. The city of Amritsar take its name from its Guru Arjun Dev construct Gurdwara Harminder Sahib. ठीक है. When did Prophet Muhammad attend revelations and how? At the age of 40, Muhammad got the light of revelation while meditating in a cave near Makkah and declared himself the Prophet of Allah. And question number 3. What was the way to realize God according to the Guru Nanak? According to Guru Nanak, believe the selfless and honest service of humanity in all form is the only way to realize God. मानव जीवन का सेवा करना ही असली भगवान की सेवा करना है. Give the meaning of bhakti and name for prominent bhakti sant. Complete submission and devotion of God means bhakti. Kabir, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Tulsidas and Mirabai are 5 important bhakti sant. Okay. State the practice of Sufi which are similar to Hinduism or Buddhism. Some of the practice among the Sufis were similar to Hinduism and Buddhism are pins, fasting, pranayam, good deeds, and belief in equality among all without any distinctions of color, caste, or creed. Answer the following question. Explain the teaching of Islam with special reference to the principle. थोड़ा आंसर बड़ा है. ठीक है. द 5 मेन टीचिंग्स ऑफ इस्लाम आर. पहले तो इस्लाम की 5 टीचिंग्स क्या है? देयर इज़ नो गॉड बट अल्लाह एंड मोहम्मद इज़ हिज प्रोफेट. Muslim must pray 5 times a day. Muslim must observe fast during the holy month of Ramadan. Muslim must give alms to the poor and needy. Muslim must take pilgrimage to Mecca at least once in the lifetime if they can afford. This is known as हज. कम से कम अपने पूरे जीवन में एक बार हज करना चाहिए. These are the teaching as well as duties based on writing on the Quran. The three basic tenets of Islam are Shariat or the religious law which Muslim must always abide. Sunnah contain Muhammad saying and deeds and offering namaz. There are certain other principles are also. They are emphasis on honesty and modesty in public life, abstentions from alcohol and wrong, fair division of inheritance, good treatments to women, especially in matters of their property rights. Quran emphasizes the ideals of totally holy community. Then mention the features of Islam that make it a human religion. The features of Islam that make it a human religion are given below. Islam rejects ideal worship and elaborate rituals. It gives emphasis on love and devotion to gods and compassion towards all fellow human beings. It preaches that Allah punish us for the bad deeds and reward us for good deeds. It also propagates the concepts of equality. It gives emphasis on giving alms to the poor. Question number 3. Explain the contribution of Guru Tegh Bahadur and Guru Gobind Singh to Sikhism. अब गुरु तेग बहादुर का और गुरु गोविंद सिंह का क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन था सिखिज्म के लिए, तो पहले हम गुरु तेग बहादुर का देखते हैं. He was a guru from 1664 to 1675. He was the ninth guru. He fought all his life against injustice and opposition of Mughals. He created courage and awareness among the Sikhs. His martyrdom changed the history of Sikhs. Guru Gobind Singh. He was the Guru of 1675 to 1708. He laid firm foundations of Khalsa, vested Guruship in Adi Granth. He preceded 5 KS Kara, Kirpan, Kesh, Kanga, Kancha. His commissions of Chandi Diwar, despite the trump of God over Eve. He established the practice of Panch Pyare and required Sikhs to suffix Singh to their name. They were given the name of Khalsa. The institution of Guruship was vested in Khalsa. The Khalsa is the Guru and Guru is the Khalsa. Question number 4. State the importance of Bhakti movement in the reforming the uniting the Indian society. The Bhakti movement stressed from the union of individual with God and brought him closer to the truth. The root of Bhakti movement are a way back to the Vedic period. It precedes devotions and loving relationship between devotee and the gods in order to attain moksha. The Bhakti Sant condemned rigidity of casteism and taught the lesson of love, devotion and equality. Kabir and Nayak strongly precede Hindu-Muslim unity. Caste or greed was totally set aside. The Bhakti Sant preceded the importance of devotion, promoted brotherhood among men and discredited all kinds of discrimination based on religion, caste or wealth. The emphasis on the purity of character and conduct precede the message of love and unity. Then for last, enlist the similarities between Islam and Sikhism. अब इस्लाम और सिखिज्म में क्या similarities थी? The Sikhism similarity between Islam and Sikhism. Both laid emphasis on one God or Almighty. Both believe in equality and reject all kinds of discriminations based on caste, religion, or wealth. Both precede that one should have pure heart and self-discipline to reach God. Both the religions propagate that to be one with God, one has to be egoless and denounce lust for worldly pleasure. Now, thanks for watching and never forget for subscribe. Okay, thank you.